Okay, Scott is going to demonstrate how to do a improvised harness. First thing we're going to do is we're going to find both ends of the rope, of the webbing, put them together, and we're going to follow it up until we find the center of the webbing that we have. Once you have found the center, you want to reach down about 5 or 6 inches on one side and make that your new center. So when you finish your knot, it will be on your right or left side and not in the middle or your back. Go ahead and take the bite and place it in your front of your pants temporarily or in your belt. Step through the webbing, reach around with both hands and take one piece of standing end and bring it around. Bring it up to your waist. And then what you want to do is bring everything forward for a second and then reach with one hand holding the two straining ends. With the other hand, pull the temporary bite out of your waistline. Pull the two standing ends through that loop. Okay, and then put one hand on each set. Look down. You want to make sure you have that triangle, that you're going opposite and back around your side. And then you go around your waist 1 or 2 or 3 times, depending on your size and the size of the webbing. You can see how he goes to the side where they're both about the same, and you want a good 1.5 feet extra because you want to be able to tie a safety knot later. First thing he's going to do is tie a square knot on the side, which is right over left and left over right. Once he has completed the square knot, then he's going to go ahead and put a safety knot on each side of that square knot. And that's just by going around, back over the top, and away from the knot on both sides. There you go. And then once that's completed, if you had a carabiner, you would just put that in the front, right, pull them all together, and it would just lock right in there. And that would be attached to a lifeline or anything else you needed. If your strands are more than 1 foot long, then you can tuck them in your pocket if you wanted to, but about 1 foot will not bother you. Great.